Good morning. We can start the session. We are on the right session.
Opinions. I, Anup Kumari Shukla, Leaders in Structurals Limited, warmly welcome you all to this 22nd annual general meeting of the company. Considering the outbreak of the COVID-19 pandemic, in accordance with the circular issued by the Ministry of Corporate Affairs and SEBI, the company had taken all efforts under the current circumstances to enable the members to participate in the meeting. Before we start the meeting, I would like to introduce all the board members who are attending the meeting from the registered office of the company and their respective places. Mr. Gulshan, Mr. Ratan Chopra, a whole-time director. Mr. V.D. Sharma, attending through video conference. Mr. Guru, meeting being a senior citizen, unable to attend the same. Mr. Ratin Sanil, an independent director and the chairman of an audit committee.
Hi.
Ms. Dimple Guru and Mr. Soni Agrawal, Chief Financial Officer of the company. Also, we have a partner of Chaturvedi, Sohan and Company, Chartered Accountant, our statutory auditor, through video conference, attending from his respective place. Due to some technical error, okay. Mr. Nihil Dugar, attending the DNG Associate Practicing Company Secretary, a secretarial auditor for the voting process of this meeting, who have joined the meeting from his respective place through the video conference. I thank all the members of the board and auditor for joining this meeting. I request Mr. Gulshan Chopra to take the chair. We have requisite quorum present through video conference to conduct the proceeding of the meeting. Participation of the member through video conference for compliance as per the circular issued by the Ministry of Corporate Affairs and Section 103 of Companies Act 2013. The quorum being present, I call the meeting to order.
Good morning, shareholders. My name is Gulshan Vijay Chopra. I'm the Managing Director of Leaders in Structurals Limited. I hope you and your family members are healthy and staying safe. What we normally used to have. However, it is wonderful to see you all joining from different parts of India. Thanking you for joining us. I would have very much liked to meet and address in person, meeting over a virtual form due to the prevailing unprecedented circumstances. I would like to thank you for sparing your time. Join us today for wherever you are from continued. I wish to inform you that as the notice is already circulated to all the members, I take the notice conveying the meeting as read. With the permission of the members, report and statutory auditor report as read. As our company is in infrastructure industry, a priority sector for economy and emerging market like India, in looking at conservative ways and means of dealing with the situation, taking care of all our employees, stakeholders, and continuously focus on ever challenging needs. In this challenging contest, the company results for financial year demonstrated our strength and effectiveness on our strategy. Our sound risk management, governance, balance sheet strength, depth of managerial capability, another successful financial year. During last year, we were on track in terms of revenue growth, profitability, and various excellence programs, which have resulted in achieving desired growth. Yes, to further continue.
Thank you, sir. The company has received a letter from Chem Logistic and Infra Private Limited and the Byland Neeraj Infra Project appointing the representative under Section 113 of the Companies Act in respect of 93 lakh equity share, representing 36.65% of the paid-up capital. AGM is being held through video conference. The facility to appoint proxies by the member is not applicable. The register of director and KMPs and the shareholding are being available. by the members during the AGM. Members seeking for such inspection can send their request to cs@neeraj.co.in. Mr. of DNG Associate, a practicing company secretary, has been appointed as a scrutinizer for scrutinizing the e-voting process. The company had provided the electronically on all the resolutions set forth in the notice. Members who have not yet cast their vote electronically, who are practicing or participating in the meeting, have an opportunity and 30 minutes after the conclusion of the meeting through e-voting system provided by the CDSL. Members can click on the vote tab on the video conference features. In case member face any difficulty, they may reach out the helpline number provided in the notice. A company has received requests from few members to register them as a. Accordingly, the door will be open for these members to ask the question and express their view. The name of the respective member will be called out to raise their question, and shareholders can. In the interest of all the shareholders, I would request the shareholder to limit their question in the time frame of 2 minutes and maintain their communication to be concise and restrict. Queries, question of the shareholder shall be addressed to the management. Members requiring any technical assistance during this meeting may contact the helpline number as mentioned. We now take up the resolution as set forth in the notice. Speaker. We'll open the floor for any questions by the member after all the resolution. Resolution number 1, to receive, consider, and opt the audit financial statement of the company for the financial year ended 31st March 2020, together auditor's report thereon. Resolution number 2, to appoint a director in place of Mr. Gulshan Chopra, who retires by rotation of this annual general meeting and being eligible offer himself to invite the members to ask the question and provide their comments. Before we go live question answer, there are the point to note for your convenience. Kindly turn on the video when your name yourself proceed to ask the question. Please mention your name and location from where you are joining. Now I request Mr. Bimal Agrawal to unmute and kindly proceed with the question.
Mr. Bimal is not available. We can move on to the next one.
Second.
I now request Ms. Lekha Shah to unmute and kindly proceed with the question.
She is also not available.
Ms. Lekha Shah.
He is also not available.
Okay. Now I request Mr. Satish Shah to unmute and kindly proceed with the questions.
He is also not available.
Mr. Satish Shah.
No, he is not available. We can move on to the next one.
Next.
I now to unmute and kindly proceed with the questions.
Not available.
Okay. First, Ms. Kirti Shah to unmute and kindly proceed the questions.
Not available as well.
Okay. I now request Mr. Makija to kindly proceed with the questions.
Yeah. Mr. Mahesh Makhija, right?
Thanks for allowing me to speak at this AGM. I am a very old shareholder of a company. I now, as the chairman said, infrastructure is the industry where the government is focusing. I think you are able to hear me, na? Sir, you are able to hear me?
Yes, yes, sir. Please go ahead.
Okay. Now our company, into the road construction business, na? Mostly it was a road construction business.
So your
So
voice is not quite audible,
there
it's
will be
breaking.
just what? Okay, I'll just 1 minute. So just wanted to hear from you, how is the infrastructure industry doing now, right now? Meaning looking at the pandemic and government also infrastructure business, meaning the business which we are into road building. We are into construction of roads, na? Hello,
Correct.
the voice is not clear?
I can hear you, sir.
Sir,
Go ahead. I can hear you.
Okay. So our company few years back were in problem. Then we had a issue. We had a preferential issue. We brought some money into the company, and there was a legacy issue of some payment being stuck with the government authority. I hope all the payments have been more or less cleared now.
voice is
You've got some money which was stuck up in the money which was stuck up in the government contracts. I hope you have received those same money. So how you see the future of a company? Just want to know that. Nothing much. And I hope everyone is safe at their respective location and you are taking care of your contract labor or whoever is there in the work profile. Thank you very much, sir.
So the infrastructure industry per se is not really got affected because of the pandemic. Things were really because of the government rules, regulations, which allowed the construction industry to restart. Like in the month of May, it started. And by the grace of God, things have really come back on, migrated from local metros. Like 80% of the people have come back and the works have already started in full pace. It was just affected because of the monsoon issue and all. Now, industry, all the works in this industry have started other than the private works. Government works have all started right now. Mr. Makija?
She will take over.
So,
Yes, sir.
yeah, ma'am.
Conclude with the question session of the shareholders. I now request Mr. Gulshan Chopra, Managing Director, to address the queries. Okay. And proceed. Yes, sir.
Members may note that the voting of this after the conclusion time of the meeting. Therefore, members who have not cast their vote are requested to do so. The resolution has set forward subject to the receipt of the requisite number of votes. The result of voting will be announced by CS Madam latest by 2nd October 2020 and the same designated on the website of the company and CDSL. We are thankful to all our shareholders who have joined us in this meeting by video conferencing. I hereby declare meeting will be concluded after e-voting time is over. That is 30 minutes from now. Thank you very much and see you next year.
Thank you, everybody. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Video conference.